Gotti Gang? It's your girl Let Gotti back with another video. Gotti Gang or no game, not part of my gang. Doing what are you doing? Yeah, I'm about to get ready for my flight or whatever. We're leaving at 10:30 and it's like 9 something, but I'm about to get myself together because your girl be doing stuff last minute. So I'm gonna speed y'all up because I gotta do my face routine. Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna get back with y'all when I'm done with my face routine and brushing my teeth and all that good stuff.
Baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, hide and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in the AMG.
Okay, y'all, so I'm done or whatever, getting ready. We about to leave out now because it's like 11 o'clock or whatever. So I'm gonna get back with y'all when we at the airport or whatever. So
I wanna let you know, I'll let you know that I admire what you do. Don't know if I need to reassure you, my life will be purposeless without you. If I want it, when I ask you.
okay, y'all, so we made it to the airport or whatever. We forgot to exit like 3 times, y'all. Like, it's ridiculous.
I messed up the first time, you messed up the second time.
I'm like, bro. Okay, y'all, so we about to go through TSA. They got a new thing, don't they, babe? And it's 12:28. They taking slower than usual.
That part was fast.
Thank you.
Yeah, that part was
That's
fast.
the best line.
Usually Raleigh be deep, but y'all, so me and Babe trying to hurry up and get some Popeyes because we is hungry, y'all. I'm trying to walk fast. What you want from there? What kind of, okay.
Going crazy, getting straight to it. I done closed them in the fight, then I'm fucking on stories. Bitch running that line, no security with my jewelry. Found out I'm rich, my people moving, talking soon. Other bitch telling lies, I'm feeling like you scoring me. Catch them down bad, they say, ass nigga, you and me. Eastside diamonds on the chain, ain't fooling me. You skipping school on the train, they controlling. See my main probably turn to a rap, time I rob it. I got the judge, get a boy, so I can pop it. Niggas in the hood, selling fast, shooting choppers out of fucking around, try to put my legs to helicopter. If it really a problem, somebody gotta stop it, man. Watching too hard, I think they got binoculars. Every nigga with me on go, it ain't no stopping us. Niggas acting like they got the back of crazy. Getting straight to it, I done closed them in the fight, then I'm fucking on stories.
Y'all, so we made it to, what the light? Y'all, so we made it to the Airbnb or whatever, y'all. I'm waiting on Salam and them to pull up or whatever. Me and Babe is already here. This Airbnb is really nice. Like, y'all, look at the view. Well, I'm about to show y'all the whole tour of the house, but the view, this is it, y'all. Like, what? This is so beautiful, waking up to this. Let me show y'all. Look at this view. Like, this is lit. Okay, y'all, so I'm walking in, whatever. And this is the bathroom. This is cute. Look at the little black soap and stuff. This is cute. Whatever. Then this is the kitchen. The sink. The refrigerator. It's a little view right here. Then this is the washer and dryer. This is cute. Microwave and stove. This is Salam in their room, I believe. This is the bathroom. Yes, look at the bathroom. So pretty. This is beautiful. The room. And they got a little deck out here. Look at the view though, like, yes. The view is pretty. This is the living room. We got a TV. This is a table. A mirror. I love this. I think this might be me and Bay room or whatever. I don't know yet. I just love the view though. We got the deck outside too. This is nice. This is another extra bedroom. Bedroom or whatever. And then this one got its bathroom also. Pretty. I love these, like, look at them. Y'all, so me and Salam is getting ready or whatever for
tonight. We finna go to the bowling alley.
We're gonna get lit.
Yeah, we're gonna get lit there, so it's finna be hey, we finna be
her birthday in a couple more hours, y'all. We're not going to sleep.
We're not going to sleep.
We're not going to sleep. Everybody up.
And we gotta get up early in the morning.
Yeah.
They're not going to sleep. So
we lit. We talking about the ways.
No time.
No time. Like, we haven't been nowhere this summer, have we?
No.
This the first trip?
This the first trip, bro.
Y'all, the summer has been so boring. Like,
literally boring as fuck.
Like, where have we been, y'all? Let me see what time it is.
Yeah, how many hours to my birthday?
Let me see. You got 3 more hours.
Oh my God. I'm scared. I'm gonna be lit.
Yeah, we about to be lit all night for it. We're not going to sleep. I don't know what we're about to do, but we're not going to sleep.
Yeah,
we
I don't know what we're gonna do.
Because we're in Miami.
We did not finish that itinerary. We finna just...
Because bad girls just get up and leave.
For real, we finna just...
make it happen. We're going to make it shake.
Yeah, I gotta put some lip gloss on because you got fried chicken.
Yeah. We gotta take like some group pictures. Me, Salam, and Kiara. Kiara's on the balcony, but me and Kiara, I gotta put some more deodorant on.
Dang, why am I in that? My screen should be in the
Salam, do a thumbnail pose. Hold on. Hold on. Pose. My girl about to be 21. Hey.
I'm gonna be lit, for real. Like,
Over any bitch and I can't look up in immigration when I got the 9.
Y'all, so we at Strike 10 or whatever. We about to walk in. We just found a park for 3 hours or whatever. So yeah, I'm ready to have fun. I'm ready to get lit. Period. For real, for real. But yeah, I'm gonna get back with y'all when we inside or whatever, because I'm ready to get this over with. Not get it over with, but I'm ready to have fun. Hopefully it's fun. Well, it's not my first time bowling, but I don't know how to bowl, but y'all, so it's literally the next day or whatever, and I am so tired. Like, it is 10:15 and we about to get ready to go to brunch, get some breakfast or whatever. I got to take me a shower because it takes me a long time to get dressed. I don't even know what I'm wearing, so that's another problem. But yeah, I like this view. Like, waking up to this, basically asleep, y'all. Waking up to this, it's so beautiful. Like, yes. But y'all, last night I didn't even get to record. Like, I got so messed up. Not even messed up, it was just whatever I had, it messed up my stomach and I won't have it in. So I'm about to get ready to take a shower or whatever, and get ready for this brunch. I don't know what I'm wearing, so I'm gonna get back with y'all when I'm about to hop in the shower or whatever. Bae still sleep or whatever, so yeah. I'm tired. Gotta find me something to wear though for sure, but yeah, I'm gonna get back with y'all when I am up or whatever. Today is Salam's birthday. Happy birthday to my sis. That's my Leo twin, like for sure, my Leo twin. Her mom said we act alike, and I kind of see it, but Salam is more like calm and stuff than me. Now that I would not like. Now what if I was asleep? I can't like stay on the highway. But I'm gonna get back with y'all when I'm dressed or whatever. Well, not when I'm dressed, like when I'm getting ready, cause I gotta do my face routine, all that good stuff. So
Working hard, wanna let you know, proud, let you know that I admire what you do. Don't know if I need to reassure you, my life will be purposeless without you. If I want it, when I ask you about it, you inspire me to be better. You challenge me for the better. Sit back and let me pour out my love letter.
okay, y'all. So I'm dressed or whatever. Me and Bae is dressed. I'm gonna show y'all my outfit though. I need some good lighting. For real, for real. Tripping. Hold on. Is this a good lighting? No, y'all not gonna be able to see it. I need to get a good view of my outfit. I don't know how y'all can see it. They gonna show y'all my outfit. I got my ankle bracelets on. My little purse Salam got me when we did that challenge. Whatever. Y'all, so we pulling up to the place or whatever. Hopefully we can sit down because we like hella late. We about to be here like 11:30, 12. But I'm ready to eat, y'all. It's 1:32 or whatever. I gotta fix my edges up. We walking to the brunch place, y'all. It's like 1:54 and they close at 3, so hopefully we can. Yeah, we walking now or whatever. We won't go to the mall.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's hot as hell in Miami. Might get me a little drink. Wanna give me a margarita today? You funny. Yeah, so we made it to the place or whatever.
dice, rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the guala in my shorty bag. You know she wanna mine when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. This that roll myself a day and count my figure shit. This that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you knocking off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. But I'm stunner till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. But I'm stunner till I die. Fuck it, I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close?
Okay, y'all, so we done from eating brunch or whatever. Now we just riding around looking for some stores or whatever to shop. Well, not even shop, just grab a couple things or whatever. I'm not grabbing nothing now, but yeah, Kiara in the back. But that food was good though. Hey, babe. I'll just be talking. I like it though. What, that grass? Oh, this is pretty. Babe, y'all wanna walk in here? Or you gotta pay? I just wanna see the things.
Big houses.
Babe, gallery dip. Oh.
You hear me?
What?
We need to ride and look at some big houses.
What house is that? I haven't seen no houses. Have you?
Gotta search it on Google.
But you hear me? Gallery, Yeah, so we walking inside the ice cream spot, whatever. I don't know what I'm about to get. I know who I am, where I came from, and where I'm going at all times, period. Be yourself is complicated, and that's a good thing, period. Being free to make choices can be a mystery, but that's magical, and I love that side of me. Look at this. This is pretty. Look at this mirror, y'all. I want to go on this gold thing. Look at this. This is pretty. Y'all, look at this. Like, what is this? This is crazy. This is crazy. I like this. Okay, y'all, so we about to drop Salam off to get her makeup done or whatever, and then we about to go find me something to wear because we're going to dinner tonight at 10, and I don't got no jersey outfit, so.
At the stop sign, turn right onto Biscayne Boulevard.
Okay.
Then turn left.
Okay, Bookie. Why does she do that and we not driving? But yeah, I'm gonna get back with y'all when I find a clothing spot because I don't got nothing. No heels. I got sandals. Dang, people going crazy with the lights.
What lights?
Oh my son. Let me stop being mean.
What you post?
Us. Look at Kiara. Look at her face.
I haven't seen it. I watch stuff at
Who
work.
that?
My old roommate.
I'm crazy, been straight to it. I done caused so many fights, then I'm fucking on stories. Catch me in Atlanta, no security with my jewelry. Down, I'm rich, my baby moving, talking soon. Got a bitch telling lies on me, feeling like you screwing me. Catch him down bad, they say, bad nigga, you and me. Eastside diamonds on the chain, ain't fooling me. You skipping school on the train, they controlling. See my main partner turn into a rap, time I rob it. I pray the judge get a boy so I can pop it. He's in the hood, selling flash, shooting choppers out of fucking around and try to put my lips in the cop. Baby, really a problem, somebody gotta stop him, man. I'm here to watch him too hard, I think they got binoculars. Every nigga with me, I'm go, it ain't no stopping us.
Okay, y'all, so we at this, I don't know where we at. Oh, Burlington up there. We got to go up another damn thing. Like, I don't know if we at a mall or what, y'all, but we're going up the excavator. What's this? Yeah, I ain't about to play with you. Why are you laughing? I said it wrong. What is it?
What is this? That's what happened.
What did it say now?
5G.
Okay.
How many LTV to 5G? We must be close to a 5G town.
Why we got to keep going up these excavators?
For real, this is dangerous.
Is it called excavators though? Yeah, I fell earlier on the Burberry stair. Is they closed? Escalators. I ain't going to another stair. Another excavator. What is it?
You do?
Pronounce it. Escalator. It's not a D in it. It's not.
No.
Okay.
What's that?
I don't know, but we about to get off. Y'all, I'm about to walk inside Burlington and see if they got any cute dresses or whatever, because I don't got nothing. I don't got no type of outfit or anything. Kira, what is that? I'ma just. Oh yeah.
Try them on.
Yes. Put them down. I can't fit them.
Okay, try the 8.
Y'all can. What, we can't touch them?
I don't know what we gotta get.
Y'all, Kiara found me some heels. Okay. Y'all, so I found me a dress or whatever and some heels. Well, Kiara found the heels because I was just moving too fast. Like, I was moving fast as hell. Going up here.
Too fast.
I got gold earrings on.
I got earrings in the car.
Oh, okay. Bet. But yeah, I'm gonna get back with y'all when we get dressed or whatever, because we got to stay hurry up. Okay, y'all, so we at the restaurant or whatever. We had to get dressed in the car because we had a lot of stuff to do or whatever. So
Come here.
I'm still wearing. What you mean? You got one on.
All this hair in my damn way.
Okay, y'all. But yeah, we at the restaurant or whatever. Waiting on our boyfriends to pull up. Oh, I gotta do my edges. So yeah, this is what I got on. finishing like the videos out. Well, not the videos, but like the part last night. I don't know why I didn't tell y'all what was going on, but after we ate, we literally just rode around and came back to the house. We were supposed to go out and all that good stuff, but that didn't happen. But we about to go go-karting or whatever. I'm already dressed. Let me check my outfit. I got this on with my Dunks. Babe got me for my birthday. Whatever. But yeah, I want to do my edges because, oh girl, look at them edges. But yeah, I might be taking pictures today or whatever, so stay tuned. But yeah, I'm dressed, babe dressed. I don't know if Salam and them dressed, but guess we're gonna wait on them. I don't know why I'm not full. It is 2:28, so yeah, I'm gonna get back with y'all when like we in the car headed to the go-kart place. We're going go-kart in the mall, and I gotta get Salam a gift, y'all, because I was gonna give her some money because she gave me some money, but I think I'm gonna go get her some shoes or something from the mall since that's where we're going today. But she don't know nothing about it, so yeah, I'm gonna get back with y'all when we in the car or whatever. Okay, y'all, so we made it to the go-kart place. Let me tell Salam I'm here. Whatever. I'm ready to have fun, y'all, because this is my favorite thing to do. Go-karts and stuff, so. We made it. It wasn't that far from the Airbnb.
Oh, no, ma.
We spend cash for entertainment. That's more where that came from, that's all I'm saying. It's me and you, we making arrangements. It's you and me and we making arrangements.
Is it hot in here or is it just me? I'm so high in heaven smoking on this weed. Told him go and take a shot on 3.
Y'all gonna have that music playing.
It's on me. Yeah, the drinks are on me. He said now go and take a shot on me. Only drug a bitch's on is a tree. But I last 10 rounds like a freak, like a G.
Okay, y'all, so I'm back in the car or whatever. We sitting outside the place we was just at or whatever. I might take some pictures in this outfit because I haven't took no pictures. Well, I took some, but I ain't really like them. So I gotta take some in this fit or whatever. And I think we're about to go get some food and go to the mall or something. Something fun. I don't know. And I gotta get Salam a birthday gift because I ain't getting nothing yet. Not yet. That's nasty. But I'm gonna get back with y'all when we find something to do. Cause we don't got nothing planned. Okay, y'all, so we made it to this burger spot or whatever. I'm ready to eat. I'm hungry. Like, driving here made me more hungry and I'm thirsty. About to get burgers, fries, and dessert. Yep. I'm gonna get back with y'all when we inside or whatever.
It's about time for making up. Told you wasn't with me waking up. Now you said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just in love with you. So I come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? You can have it, place on it. Take you there.
Okay, y'all, so we done eating or whatever. Now we just walking around or whatever because we about to go to this celebrity boat thing. Like the houses and stuff. That food was good, y'all. Like, for real, real good. That's a Frenchie? But they lit. My bad. FedEx office. Victoria's Secret. Sephora.
Up until 90.
Huh?
Start posting again. This shit good as hell.
Yeah, you do. What's this though? Oh, so what's that there? Come on. Okay, y'all. So now we made it to like a mall or something. Well, it's like Saks Fifth, whatever. And I'm trying to find Salon something for her birthday. I might get her some shoes or a purse. I don't know. But yeah, it's hot. Chanel. This is nice, but I don't see no shoe stores. What product?
I don't know. But that's what I'm thinking of. Like, you know, sex food, this shit, it's gonna be inside.
Babe, you hear me? Wanna go this way?
That's more where that came from, that's all I'm saying. It's me and you, we making arrangements. It's you and me and we making arrangements.
Is it hot in here or is it just me? I'm so high in heaven smoking on this weed. Told him go and take a shot on 3. Told him drinks, it's on me. Yeah, the drinks are on me. He said now go and take a shot on me. Only drug a bitch is on is a tree. But I'll last 10 rounds like a freak, like a G.
Yeah, I couldn't find her nothing in the stores. They didn't have, like, they had stuff, but like they didn't really have nothing. So I'm gonna just try to go somewhere tomorrow, or yeah, probably tomorrow in the morning or whatever, so I could get her something. Yeah, it's hot.
I don't like to fuck with raps and dogs.
Okay, y'all, so we made it to the boat thing or whatever, the little tour. What is it, frozen lemonade? We're about to get something to drink, whatever, for the boat. So, I gotta use the bathroom, babe. You do too? Yeah. That's crazy. Yeah. I might get some chips and frozen lemonade and I'm good. Oh no, I'm not gonna get a frozen lemonade. I'm gonna get like a Gatorade. They got a strawberry Fanta, babe. Right there.
This Gatorade?
Yeah. Okay.
I believe that all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys.
Joining the fiesta
Cruises. My name is Sarah, and I'm gonna be the persona that's gonna be making sure we have good vibes throughout the whole trip. You guys, I don't know if you guys are ready to have a good time, but definitely I am.
You took my heart, I'ma see for decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work. To me, I be work. You see me do me dirt. Tell me about that work. When you walk out, before the table turn. Beg you something, please. Baby, don't you leave. Don't leave me stuck here in the streets. If I got another chance to, I would never neglect you. I mean, who am I to hold your past against you? I just hope that it gets to you. I hope that you see this through. I hope that you see this true. What can I say? Please recognize I'm trying, baby. I feel work. It's me, I feel work.
Okay, y'all, so we got off the boat or whatever. They didn't even show us, well, they didn't even tell us who houses those was. It's supposed to be like a celebrity house tour or whatever, but now we about to go to the strip or whatever, South Beach Strip. See what they got going on out there, y'all. My stomach hurts so bad. I'm surprised this thing not beeping, but I'm gonna get back with you. I'm gonna get back with y'all when we at South Beach or whatever. But yeah, the boat was fun though. It was just they didn't tell us who houses it was, because in Cali they told us every, like, whoever lived in that house or even stayed there before they told us. That's why I thought it was gonna be, but yeah, we ate me some ice cream. They got me tired. I'm tired, so I took me a nap in the car. It felt like hours, but I think it was only like 11 minutes. It's kind of hot out here, ain't it?
Yeah.
Okay, y'all, so we at the Casino Miami or whatever. It is late, y'all. We left the strip because they really wanted nothing to do, but it's 2:55 in the morning and we at the casino because he like, look up, he like to gamble, but we're about to go win some money. But let me show y'all the place. It's actually big though. Y'all, this is big. This is one, like, the biggest one we ever been to so far. Y'all, so I'm done getting dressed. This is the third day, I believe. Or this is the last, well, I don't know what day it is. I really don't know. Like, I'm so tired. We was out at like 4 o'clock in the morning at a casino, and I think that's what we're about to go do now. And I think we're doing jet ski, so I bought me a little two-piece and my bathing suit just in case. But y'all, I gotta tell y'all, last night was ridiculous. I don't got nowhere to sit my camera. I want y'all to see my outfit though. I just got on dressed up. It's supposed to be raining, so hopefully it don't rain. Because damn, I'm all in y'all face. I'm all in y'all face. I'm all in y'all face. Yeah. But yeah, I still ain't found someone birthday gift. Hopefully I'll find one today. If not, I'm gonna just give her some money because I want to get her like some shoes or a purse. Because I'll show y'all this dress.
Outfits.
Yeah, we made it to another casino. What is this? This is pretty. Okay, y'all, so we left the casino order because they didn't have the games we were trying to play. Look at the pimple on my face, like. But we at BurgerFi about to get some food before we go jet skiing. Our jet skiing thing is at 3, and it's 2:16, so we're about to eat real quick or whatever, because your girl is hungry. It won't hurt so bad. Yes.
I have a medium drink with a BurgerFi cheese sandwich with mayo and ketchup.
Okay, y'all, so we walking to the jet skis now. Whatever. I think we late. It was.
Should we go right? It says
Yeah.
diplomat entrance over here.
We late. Our appointment was at 3 and it's 3:08. So hopefully they don't cancel on us. And it was about to rain. Well, it was raining. Whew, I'm tired. Doing all this walking. I gotta fix my edges or something. Huh? Huh? Yeah, we about to go jet skiing, and it's raining. It's the last day. YOLO! Check it out. They. Woo, I'm scared. They better not go fast. Y'all about to get in the jet ski. Salam.
It ain't the prettiest out here.
Y'all, we on the boat. We on the jet skis. This shit gonna slip out my hand. Hold on. You think I should hold it or just let it go?
Show them a little something.
Okay. Oh, shit. Hey, y'all.
Driving.
We on the jet skis. I'm going slow right now. But, babe.
My fault, go ahead.
Hey, I'm having fun. Y'all, it's so fun. It's time to go though. Okay, thank you. So fun. Yeah, that was so fun. Like, my edges messed up. My lips taste like salt. But I really messed with that. It was so fun, y'all. They was going super fast, like, damn. So, we done from the jet skis. It was so fun. I already told y'all that, but I got my camera back now. We walking through this hotel. We get to the car. Y'all, I'm so hungry. I have not ate. Like, but you like jet skis?
Lit.
It was lit. That thing was fun. I was scared though when it was going fast.
Yeah, we walking to the car. This a bridge or something?
Yeah. A walk bridge.
Y'all, so we back at the hotel. Whatever, I took me a quick shower and put on something else because my crazy tail self did not take off my dress when I got on the jet ski. Like, that was the point of me wearing it. But we about to go back to the mall, well, another mall, to find someone my birthday gift because I have not got her nothing. Like, bro, I can't do that. I got to get her something. So they left or whatever. I was hoping they didn't want to go to the mall with us because I don't want her to be around. Hopefully I know what she like because, yeah. But we about to head to the mall. Got my glasses on, got everything back. Got everything for me. And I'm set. I'm gonna clean up tonight or whatever because checkout is 11 o'clock in the morning. So I'm gonna clean up or whatever. I'll probably go get some breakfast in the morning because the girl be hungry in the morning, like literally hungry. But I'm gonna get back with y'all when we at a mall or something. So okay, y'all, so we walking inside the mall now. I'm surprised we didn't have to pay for parking. They're gonna charge us when we leave. But yeah, I'm probably going Michael Kors to see if I can find her a little purse or something. Y'all, look at the view. Well, it's not really a view, but I love the trees. Hey, about to stop somebody. Y'all, basically he about to take me shopping. Whatever I want. We should do the whatever I can pick up. But I'm gonna get back with y'all when I find a store or something. It's cold in here. Thanks, babe. Y'all, this mall is big. Like, I didn't think it was gonna be this big. I thought it was gonna be like not small, but not this big. We only walked like two sides, and we got like 5 more to go. For real, for real. Yeah, it might be more, cause damn, this shit is big. I know for sure I'm gonna find somebody here. Okay, I guess we just go down there. Okay, y'all, so I found some purses, but I don't know which one to get her. Like, I like this one, and I like this one. Salam loves small purses like this, so I don't know which one to get. I think I might get her this. This is so pretty. I think I might get her this. Y'all, so I think I'm gonna get Salam. Well, I'm gonna get Salam this one because this is her style. Hopefully she like it. Well, I think she's gonna like it. But yeah, this is what I'm gonna get her, y'all. And I'm gonna get this one because I really like these. Like, this is the first thing I seen when I walked in the store.
Can I tell you something for why it's right? If heaven plays on nothing, take you there, take you, show you something, give you more than words. If you touch, I need to, need to distance myself from you. I was just in love with you.
Thank you.
So confused with you. Can I tell you something?
Y'all, so Bae got me my Gucci slides that I wanted. Oh, where we going?
Trying to find some shoes.
Oh, yeah, let's go upstairs.
I think it was one back there, but I don't know.
Okay, well, we can go back. Well, yeah, he got me my Gucci slides that I wanted for my birthday. Or whatever. Thanks, man. But yeah, I've been wanting them. Well, not for the longest. I just found them on like I think
It's been looking forever and it's just
like
they just had them hiding.
Yeah, they even have them out. I had to ask them. They pulled them out from the bag. I think he said that was the last pair. Yeah, he was like, I think I got one left. But yeah, y'all, and I got Salam something. I got her a little purse or whatever, so I'm good for today. I'm just hungry. I haven't eaten that all day, for real. A piece of burger. So I'm about to show y'all my shoes that babe got me. I don't want to mess up the thing, but I'll show y'all. I can't take this on a plane anyway, so look at how they be wrapping it, y'all. Well, I wear a size 37 in shoes. If y'all want to get me some shoes, they gonna be like, hell no. Can't get you no shoes. Yo, I love my shoes. Like, oh my God, I was wanting these. Like, this is really all I wanted for my birthday. Is these and some dunks. And he completed the list. Thanks, guy. You like them? I love my shoes, y'all. But y'all, right now we're about to go back to the room and change. And I gotta get Salam her gift, y'all. So, get her gift. So I'm gonna get back with y'all when we at the hotel. Okay, y'all, so Salam is here. She just walked in. I'm about to give her gift because me and babe are going back to the casino. So I'm gonna tell her to come in the living room real quick. Y'all, she coming. Hi.
Lena.
Come here.
Hi.
What?
What did you do?
This is your birthday gift. Here.
You've been so crazy. You surprising me. I was about Lena.
I love you, babe.
Okay. You know
I know.
you didn't know how to do this.
You got me something for my birthday. For real?
Yes.
So you better.
I'm serious. This is so cute.
I know you like small purses. So I was
Yes,
like,
this is bomb. I only know they have purses like this color.
I know. Because lately you've been talking about pink. So.
Yes, it's like pink and red, right?
I
mean, it like gives
yeah.
Okay, thank you, baby.
Salam. You better like it.
You know I do. But my voice just, I'm just, man.